Now that's our exercise this morning. We're going to be learning how to play in the root position arpeggios randomly while stepping on our sustain pedal. Now, to know how to use the sustain pedal, check the link in the description below. Now, after hitting chords, the do chord with both hands, you hit your notes randomly without pattern, but you must touch all the fingers. You speed it up like I just did. You go slow again. Speed it up. Speed it up again. Slow again. Speed it up. Now, this is a very important skill. It will help you when you are trying to improvise. Like, you don't have to follow a particular pattern when improvising. So random arpeggio is part of what spices up improvisation. And it is very important for you to learn how to randomly play arpeggios, because all the while we've been doing organized arpeggio, in other words, or coordinated arpeggio, where we go up. But now we are just hitting the notes at random. So that's what this exercise is about. To master it very well, you can put on your metronome, take the tempo to 70. Okay, that's too slow. Take it to 90. Then try to hit a note every time you hear that sound. Randomly select any note in the chord. When you've mastered 90, you can take it to 110. You keep increasing it, right? Did you see what I did? So I gave one beat 2 notes. So I did for 1 beat, right? So you can do that as well. So you can also follow the beats. Mix it up. So that's that for that exercise. Please subscribe for higher levels and better levels of arpeggio exercises.